How to install track lighting. Track lighting offers adjustable lighting solutions for a wide range of home spaces. It's extremely customizable and is a project that experienced do-it-yourselfers can easily handle. So let's get into it. Know before you install. A couple of things you need to know. One is that you can build a complete custom track system using different combinations of track sections, connectors, and track lights. However, not all track components are compatible with each other, so check the manufacturer of the track parts to make sure they will work together. You will need a ceiling junction box to tap into and provide power. Plan your layout. For this install, we are going to be using a variety of track components to light a home office space. We've decided on an L-shaped layout, illuminating the desk area and wall art. Let's review all the parts we've selected. It helps to lay out the components on the table to double check you have all you need. For powering the system, you have two main options. If you have a junction box near where you want your track, you can use a live end feed to go directly into the junction box. If the box is not where you want your track, you will want to use a floating canopy, which installs anywhere on the track. You run your electrical feed from the junction box to the canopy, and that provides power. Today, we are going to be showing the floating canopy option. We're using one 8-foot track and one 4-foot track, connecting them with an elbow L-shaped connector. And we'll be using 6 black finish track heads. Installation. For the installation, you'll need a ladder, a drill, a screwdriver, hammer, and other tools. With electricity, it's always safety first. Make sure the power to the junction box is turned off at the breaker box. Use a voltage meter to confirm the power is off. Start by attaching the canopy feed kit to the junction box. Then position the track where you want it. Drill the holes to secure the track to the ceiling. Secure the feed to the track with the included hardware. Now attach the canopy. Position any connectors. In this case, we are using an elbow connector and secure it to the other track section and the ceiling. Now you can position the track lights. Insert them onto the track and position in the desired location. Aim them as needed to illuminate the desk area and the wall art. Turn the power back on and make any final adjustments. Using a wall dimmer switch with the system will allow you to dim the lights. And there you have it, a custom track installation for this office space. We've got more about track lighting at lampsplus.com. And for more tips, follow us. We'll light the way.